Hi, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Sorry to my periods 3 and 1 that I had to be out today for a meeting, professional development. I'd much rather be in class with you guys, but thank you very much to our class captains, Jasmine, Fade, Laney, period 1, as well as Chelsea and Ariana for period 3. Hopefully you went through this warm up. Please note on number 3 that I am not going to be starting grading on that summative, which is 6-7 until, well, I'm going to be putting in zeros tomorrow on Wednesday. So please make sure you've got everything good to go and submitted for assignment 6-7, which remember is that I believe it was 8 to 13 sentences related to your terrorist organization that you're focusing on. The rubrics right here, prompt and suggested outline are good resources. Make sure you've got that good to go and submitted by tomorrow. Other than that, we will be today working on evaluating the causes and effects of 9/11. So we did do one day, I think it was on 9/11, I believe, a while ago, as far as kind of taking a look at those terrorist attacks. This is our last kind of look at terrorism before we move on to our next unit. So this is kind of an in-between. So if you notice, for today, we are going to be going into this video guide. The video itself, guys, is a long one. It's going to take the majority of the time. Please notice, class captains, that you're going to be going into skipping through the intro, and then you'll still barely probably have enough time to be able to get through this. So what I had said here, if you notice, I said if I do get a positive substitute report, we will spend some time at the beginning of class tomorrow to be able to go through and take a look at some of these answers, because it's not going to be like usual where once we see the answer, you're going to be able to pause and go over it. You just need to literally run the recording and try to get as many answers as you can to these questions, starting with chapter 2, which is on minute 240. And so the link that you'll see for the film is actually downloaded. So it's not going to be a YouTube link. So it should be something that you could take a look at no matter what. So we're not depending on YouTube for this. So you shouldn't run into technical difficulties. So class captains, yes, if you could get this rolling at the front as far as 6-8, the video that goes along with that, which is called The Road to 9/11, skip through the introduction, and then just let it run. As long as I get a positive sub-report, then we will go through some of the answers. All right, guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys.